Hi, I'm Brittany. I am excited to offer a short little mindful movement yoga practice that you can do at any point in your day. If you find yourself sitting at a computer or a desk for a long time and you just need to stretch it out a moment. So imagine you're sitting at the desk, or maybe you are literally right now. Take a moment, uncross your legs, plant your feet into the floor. Sit up nice and tall. You can look to one spot on your desk or close your eyes and look towards the tip of your nose. Take a deep breath in, roll the shoulders up by the ears. As you exhale, let them go back and down. Do that 2 more times. Inhale, roll the shoulders up by the ears. Exhale, take them back and down. Do that 1 more time. Inhale, roll the shoulders up by the ears. Exhale, take them back and down. Bring your hands to the front of your knees. Inhale, arch your spine, pull back on the knees, look up towards the ceiling. Press the shoulder blades in towards the spine. As you exhale, do the opposite. Press your low back towards the back of your chair. Curl your tailbone towards your knees. You can pull on your knees to create a deeper stretch. Do that 2 more times. Inhale, arch your spine, look up towards the ceiling. Pull the shoulders back. Exhale, round the spine, look back towards your belly button. 1 more time. Inhale, arch the spine, look up. And exhale, round, look back. Come to a neutral tall spine, breathe in. Twist to the right, breathe out. You can use the back of your chair, you can use the desk as leverage, you could use your leg as leverage. You can close your eyes or look to one spot, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, twist a little further. 1 more time, inhale. Press the right hip towards the front of the chair as you twist the right shoulder back. Exhale. Switch sides. Hand to thigh or the desk. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. Exhale, look as far over the left shoulder as you can. Take another breath in. Pull belly button to spine as you twist deeper. 1 more. Inhale, press the left hip towards the front of the chair. Exhale, pull the left shoulder back. Come back to neutral. Figure 4, bring your left ankle across the thigh. You can use your hands on your shin as you sit up tall, breathe in. You may already feel a stretch in the left hip or start to lean forward into the left leg to create a deeper stretch. Take 2 more breaths here, inhale. Exhale a little further. 1 more, take a deep breath in. Exhale a little further. Switch sides. Take the right ankle across the left thigh. Pull on your legs slightly to sit up tall. You might feel a stretch right here or start to lean forward. Rather than rounding forward, lean with as straight of a spine as you can to deepen the stretch in the right hip. Take 1 more breath here. Exhale, go a little further. Release. Extend the leg, either leg out. You can have your leg extended on the floor to create a hamstring stretch. If you're a little bit bendier, you can bring your leg up onto the desk and stretch and breathe into the right hamstring. People often confuse hamstring flexibility with how good of a human they are. And it doesn't matter how bendy or not bendy your hamstrings are. Do the other leg. Either extend the leg as you lean forward with the leg on the floor or put the leg up on your desk. Take another breath in. Breathe out. Come up. 1 more thing to open the chest. You can bring your hands, scoot forward on your chair. Bring your hands to the chair behind you. You can bend the elbows in towards each other as you look up. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. And as you move through the rest of the day, as if it's possible, come to the front of your chair as much as you remember and do your work with a nice straight spine with the shoulders back and pull the head back over the shoulders rather than spending our life here. Spend life with a nice supported spine. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.